In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images in Microsoft Word. Adding photos to your Word documents can greatly enhance the visual appeal and can help convey your message more effectively. Whether you are creating a report, a presentation, or a simple document, inserting an image is quite straightforward, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to make sure that you have your Word document open and ready to go. If you don't have Word open yet, launch it and open the document you're working on or start a new one, if that's easier for you. When you're ready, take a look at the top of your Word window. You'll notice there's a toolbar with multiple tabs. Among these tabs, find and click on the Insert tab. This tab is your gateway to adding a variety of elements to your document, such as tables, shapes, and most importantly for our purposes today, pictures. After clicking Insert, you'll see a row of options pertaining to what you can insert into your document. What we are interested in is the Pictures option. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a new dialog box or a drop-down menu asking you to select where you would like to get your image from. You might see options like From Device, which lets you choose a picture saved on your computer, Stock Images for illustrations provided by Microsoft, or even Online Pictures, which lets you search for images on the web directly within Word. Select the option that best suits your needs. For example, if your picture is saved on your computer, choose From Device. This prompts a File Explorer window to pop up, allowing you to navigate through your folders and find the image you want to insert. Once you've found the image, click on it to select it, then hit Insert. The image will now appear in your document. From here, Word gives you numerous options to modify and adjust your image. You can click and drag the corners to resize it, use the Layout Options button that appears next to the image to set the text wrapping preferences, or double-click on the image to bring up the Format tab, where you'll find various editing tools. These tools allow you to adjust things like brightness, contrast, and styling effects so your image fits seamlessly into your document design. And just like that, you've successfully inserted an image into your Microsoft Word document. This process can be repeated as many times as necessary, whether you're adding just one photo or building a more complex document with numerous visuals. Remember that images do more than just decorate your document. When used effectively, they can enhance readability and engagement. Thank you for following along. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Do take your time to practice, explore the various formatting options, and soon inserting images in Word will feel like second nature. Stay tuned.